Now that spring is here, none of us are getting any more lazy days like this, are we? Hey, happy Sunday everyone. Glad you're here. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so you don't miss any of my videos. I hope you've all had a great week and an even better weekend. Let me show you some of the stuff that's going on around here again. I'm sorting through my seeds this morning, making a list, checking it twice. And I also have some of my favorite books out here. I'm curious, what are your favorite reference books or books that you use the most throughout your gardening season? And I found this Stories Basic Country Skills book several years ago, and I love this. I use it for a lot. It gives you a jumping point for every topic you can encounter when you're doing things. But I use it a lot for my garden as far as rotation and companion planting. Do you guys all rotate your gardens? I find that to be really complicated process figuring out where I'm going to put everything, but I'm starting it today. And then of course my Ball Blue book for preserving, use that a lot. And a website I'm going to put up here, it's pickyourown.org. I tend to Google how to freeze and preserve things, and that has helped me immensely. So that'll be in the description too. Looks like I have a lot of seeds left from the things that I'm going to stick to this year. So I don't have to buy a lot of seeds, which goes well with my Just Say No thrifty tip from Thursday. And I do buy quite a few plants, like my tomato plants. I know that they're easy to get started and use seeds. I just don't have success with it. And I ended up spending twice as much from just going and buying the tomatoes, considering how many we use, which is not a ton. So most of the stuff I will buy as plants when it's time to put in the garden. I am going to try asparagus this year, I think. Steve really wants me to do it, so I'll probably try that too. And I have a short list this year for seeds that I need to plant, so yay for me. How did this happen? His hay bale's in pretty rough shape, so I don't even think the hay bale could support him. I don't know what he did. He must have jumped from the hay bale to the bucket, jumped all the way up there. I'm not sure how he got up there, and I have no idea how he's going to get down without me getting him down. If you've never met him, this is Ferdler, and he's a mini Rex bunny, and Ferdler's been around for a while. He was originally going to be a 4-H bunny. We got him at the fair shortly after we moved out here and had room for things like this. My daughter got him as just a little couple-week-old bunny at the fair. It's very cute. And he has never once made it to the fair. And has since become my rabbit after, I don't know, 4 or 5 years ago when my daughter kind of lost interest in him and I kind of liked him, so I took over. So he is going to be 8 years old, believe it or not, this spring. And still seems to be kicking. Pretty active little guy, as you can see. Gonna get in trouble with this and hurt himself or fall in the turkey pen. I don't know what he's doing. Oh, and look what happened in my freezer. Oh yeah, and look at this emptiness. I got it all emptied and it's upstairs and I don't have enough vegetables. My frozen vegetables, so I am gonna be down to these last few cans and probably run short. I refuse to buy frozen vegetables at the store, so we'll see what happens, but I have got a lot of work to do this year because I am out on my my extra storage. I have depleted it, so I have got a lot of work to do this year in my garden. You're not gonna believe how much these turkeys have grown in a week. Let's go look at them. These guys are so big too. They've grown so much in a week and getting all their feathers in. He's gonna start peeping because I took him away from his friends. Gotta poop. Ugh. Hear him? And that will get progressively louder. if I don't put him back in there. They get peeping out here in the garage sometimes. It is so loud. Is he starting to look like a turkey a little more? Hear that? He's starting to call for his friends. Okay, well, it is going to be beautiful weather around here today. I cannot wait to enjoy a Sunday outside. I hope you do the same. I will see you Thursday for Thrifty Tips Thursday. Have a great week.